Talking about a more advanced sculpture tool, you can see this one's got some miles on it. This is a combination Riffler rasp and file, plus it's flat on one side and curved on the other side, so it'll go a long way. It's a little smaller tooth than the other ones, and I'm going to use it in this area that's kind of hard to get to. So you want to use the toothy part first and get the big stuff off. And smooth it down quite a bit. And I'm using the curved part so it'll get in there. And then you can switch over to the file part. And you actually want to take the file part forward across the teeth, and it'll smooth it out really fast. You can see how smooth it gets very quickly. So we're going to actually take some of these little lumps off right here that just don't belong there. If it was on your mom, she wouldn't want it there. So we'll definitely smooth that out a bit. It's really easy to get the feel of your tool by how you hold it and how the best pressure goes on it to take off the materials you want. And you can see I'm mainly using this edge of the tool. You don't have to use the whole surface. You use the part that you need. So I'll clean that off, and I'll go back here. And once again, I've got it in the palm of my hand, and I've got my finger to control it, and I can really hang on to it. And that way I can push with my elbow and twist with my hand. And you can see it's starting to smooth out right there, so it just looks like a smooth transition of skin and not a bunch of bumps. Each time I want to add a little bit, I'll put some more plaster on, and I have to let the plaster set up and dry, and then I can go in and take off any bumps that I don't want.